Hey y'all, so I'm back. I will try to be very quick. As you saw, I just got my Boxycharm and it came a whole day early. So thank you Lord, thank you Lord. So I'm just gonna go right into unboxing it. And let me get a scissors. I didn't prepare. I just threw my camera on and decided to film. So we're gonna open it. This is the May 2008 Boxycharm. Cost, it is $21 per month. Oh my gosh, I'm excited because last month was great. So let's see what this month gives us. What is it? I hope it's in the frame. Ooh, I saw this on Instagram. Ooh, well, it's not like the last one. The last one was more of like a flip kind of flyer. But this is cute too. I think this month is Boxycharm's 5th anniversary. So I guess that's why they say Boxy Bash. And they have all of the products that are in the box at the back. And there's a 20% off cover FX, alright, and 15% off pure products. Alright, so let's see. Ooh, yes. Let me put this aside. The first thing that I find is the cover FX blurring primer. Ooh, I think this is in every single Boxycharm box. Let's see, how much is this? This is $38, and this is a pretty good size. It says that it instantly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines to create a super smooth, flawless, and airbrush look. Oh girl, oh, I am gonna be using this. So what do I do? Pop it? Do I turn it? Do I twist it? Yes, I twist it. It has a little cover on it. So let me get that off and see what that's like. Oh, she looks a little bit like the Smashbox primer in terms of texture and look. Ooh, very silky. I like it. What is that? Ooh, did it blur? Yo, this is we're gonna have fun with this one. Okay, this is a hit. All right, next I have some sort of brush from Aesthetica. I think it's Aesthetica. I'm gonna open it. Really? My neighbor always comes in when I'm filming. Like, how? Anyways, ooh, this is super soft. And it says it's P12. P12. How much is this? P12 face brush. It says with synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control, the P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. And this is $27. All right. Next thing, there is a Pretty Vulgar. Ooh, this is so cute. Can you see that? That detail? Yes. So nice. It says Pretty Vulgar right there and also at the top. And it is a gel eyeliner. Right there. It's in the shade Blacklist. Ooh, girl. This is a highly pigmented, thank you Lord, gel eyeliner, and it is quick drying and it has vitamin C in it to condition the lids, and it's also water resistant. Okay, and this is $24. Right, let me open. Ooh, I can't see anything, but it's in there. It is in there. How black are we talking? Okay, don't let me, I might give this away, so don't let me interfere with it. So another thing, the fourth item, I guess, this is another like brush set. I actually like getting brushes because I need new ones, so this is pretty good. All right, it comes in a big pack, and then each of them come in their individual packs. What does it say? This is also from Aesthetica. This is a 3-piece eye trio. Comes with an angled eyeliner brush, which I think is this girl right here. She's very angled. And a spoolie and a fine tipped eyeliner brush. So this is the spoolie and this is the eyeliner brush, and all of them have the logo of Aesthetica on them. That's super cute. Well, let's bring this around and this around. Yep, so we have actually 4 brushes from Aesthetica. And last but certainly not least, is this the last thing? Is this the last thing? No. This is Han, I guess. Let me read the... Yes, Han Skincare Lip Gloss. And this retails for $15. Ooh, enriched with antioxidants, argan oil, infused with anti-aging superfruit extracts and vitamins to benefit the lips while delivering a beautiful color from natural sources. Okay, girl, I have on something right now, but I think I will swatch it because I love y'all. Okay, it didn't come with a safety seal, but it did come with like a thing. I just pull it off. But I could tell that it's new, so no worries. Ooh, this looks like a really cute color. Very opaque. Okay. Come on, focus. Focus on me. Focus on me. Woo! Oh my god. You know what? Whatever. I'm gonna put it on right now. I don't care. Let me see if I could look in my phone. I already have on like a brown lip liner along with peach lip gloss. So let's see how the pink will look. Ooh. She's actually quite pretty. Does it smell a certain way? What is that smell? It smells like ice cream, like butter pecan ice cream. Yes, that's so nice. What's the shade? Raspberry Chardonnay. Oh, girl, yes. All right, this is there. You see, it looks empty, but then I was wondering, really, are they gonna do me so bad? No, but there is a palette that I think everyone is supposed to get. Comes in a very plain, clean package, and also a next little plastic. Ooh, pure sculptor. Okay. Oh, what's going on? It's not opening. Is there something? Oh, there's something stopping it at the side. This happened to me the last time with the eyeshadow palette, and apparently I never learned. All right, there we go. Ooh, 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 yes. All right, shades. All right, shades. I see a little bit of fallout, but I'm not gonna quarrel. You know, you did travel quite a bit, so I'm not gonna quarrel. So there it is. It has the names of each of them at the bottom, but I don't know if you can see that. So this one is originator, inventor, trailblazer, and founder. Ooh, is founder dark enough? Ooh, founder is super dark. Founder is super dark. Founder is definitely dark enough for me. Thank you, Lord. Yes. Get it? Definitely dark. Okay, let's see inventor, because this was founder, which is super dark. Let's try inventor. Let me get a next finger. Okay, she might be not as dark. She might be actually a good transition shade for my eyeshadow. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. Or a nose contour. I have like huge pimples, so please forgive me. I don't think inventor will work for me. No, inventor is not giving me life. But founder did. All right, let's see. Next finger, I'm gonna try trailblazer, and I'm gonna put that right here. Oh, and I didn't go in like super hard. And the lightest one is, it's super soft. This one is creamy. This is the lightest. Ooh, yes. Let me do founder. Let me see if it's gonna show up on me. It's very close to my skin tone, I guess. And then my favorite. Come on, focus for me. Let me try to help. And I like this because it gives it, it's not red, it gives it just enough shadow that I'm looking for. Oh, that's so pretty. Just forget that. Just focus on these. That's super nice. And for highlight, I think the first one that I swatched, which was Trailblazer, this has a little bit more like of a bronziness in it. I think that's gonna work better as a highlight for me. Guys and girls, do not be using your fingers to highlight. This is just because I have nothing, literally nothing next to me. I should probably use the brush, but I just want to keep those clean. But yes. Are you seeing it coming up though? Okay. Perfect spot. Not that I would ever put this much, but just to prove the point. All right, so that was it. This was a great box as well. Boxycharm is coming, y'all. This was a great box too, literally. And I think June as well is having another palette. Oh, it's definitely worth the $21. So recap. Ooh, I was to tell you guys how much it was worth. The palette, the sculptor palette is worth $30. Worth it, my man. Oh, and I forgot to say that the brush trio, the 3 of them, cost $45. That's like 15. Yeah, 45 divided by 3 is 15. $15 for one of those from Aesthetica. Okay, calm down, calm down. Whatever. But so 27 plus 45. Let me attempt to calculate that. Let me get my calculator on my phone. And I will calculate. So the palette was 30. The primer was 38. Whoop whoop. The ink gel liner from Pretty Vulgar was 24. The Aesthetica trio the Aesthetica trio was 4 to 5. I cannot believe this. And the Aesthetica P12 face brush, that was the big brush, that's 27. And the lip gloss, ooh, which I really like, was 15, which I think is very reasonable. And that amounts to $179. And let's round that up to 180. 180 for 20 bucks. That's 9 times, y'all. 9 times the value. Whew. Anyway, so I hope that you like this video. Please comment, like, share, subscribe. I will leave some of the videos that I've previously done, and do click the little circle that should be somewhere to subscribe. And stay tuned. I will be having a giveaway soon, so you don't want to miss it. Anyways, bye, and I will definitely see you all in my next video. Bye.